Good morning, class 11 commerce. Welcome to economics period. As you know, the lesson theory of supply is in progress. We have already discussed the meaning of supply, individual supply, market supply, supply schedule, individual supply schedule, market supply schedule, then curve, then factor affecting supply or supply function. Today we are going to discuss two topics. One is change in quantity supply, another is change in supply. Change in quantity supply is also known as movement of supply. What is the meaning of movement? When supply of a commodity changes due to change in price, other things being constant. When supply of a commodity changes means either increase or decrease. Due to what? Due to change in price, either price increase or decrease. But one important thing you have to keep in mind, other things being constant means the factors which affect the supply, there should not be any change in those factors. And while keeping this factor constant, if supply changes due to change in price, it is known as movement of supply. जब सप्लाई चेंज हो जाती है प्राइस की वजह से केवल, बाकी फैक्टर सेम रहेंगे. This movement of supply can be understood in two ways. Number one, extension of supply. Number two, contraction of supply. Number one, extension. What is the meaning of extension? Extend, increases. When supply increases, I have given the upper arrow. When supply increases due to increase in price. Here I am showing upper arrow which shows increase. When supply increases due to increase in price, other things being same. If you don't add this sentence, other things being same, your definition is incorrect. So that is known as extension. This is the table. Price quantity at 5 rupees, demand supply is 7. When price increases, it becomes 10. Supply also becomes 15. So this is known as extension of supply. Let us show it with the help of diagram. Here we have taken quantity supply, here we are taking price. At 5 rupees, if you see supply is 7, right? And when price become 10, our supply become 15. Let us join these points. This is your supply curve SS. And here we are moving this side, upside. So this is upward movement. So what is the alternate name of extension? Upward movement of supply. Here supply is changes due to change in price only. Due to change in price only. That is known as extension. Now let us go for contraction. When supply decreases. When supply decreases due to what? Due to decrease in price. Price के कम होने की वजह से जब supply कम हो जाती है, other things remaining same. There is no change in other factor. What are those other factors? Price of related good, government policies, price of factor of production, technology, future expectations, etc. These factors are not going to change. Let us understand with the help of a table. When price is 5, supply is 7. Now price becomes 3. So supply also reduces from 7 to 2. This is the diagram. Quantity supply on x-axis, price on y-axis. At 5, supply is 7. At 3, price becomes 2. Supply becomes 2. This is the diagram. This is the SS curve, and here we are moving downward. We are moving downward. The contraction of supply is also known as downward movement of supply. Downward movement of supply. I think you understood the meaning of change in quantity supply. Let us go for change in supply. What is the meaning of change in supply? It is also known as shift in supply. Now we will shift. Here in movement, we were moving on the same demand curve. Either we were going upside or we were coming downside. But here shift means we are changing our place. We are going from one place to another place. For example, I am standing in this room. If I move in this room only, this is movement. But when I leave this room and go outside, it becomes shift. So what is shift? When supply of a commodity changes due to factors other than price. In shift in supply or change in supply, when supply changes not because of price but because of other factors, किसी दूसरे factors की वजह से. What are those other factors? Just a few seconds back I told what are those other factors. Government policies, technology, future expectation, price of related goods. So due to change in these factors, if our supply changes, that is known as change in supply or shift in supply. It can be also understood with the help of two. Number one, increase in supply. Number two, decrease in supply. So first let us try to understand the meaning of increase in supply. What is increase in supply? When supply of a commodity increases, upward arrow increases due to favorable change in factors other than price. Favorable change means what? Those changes which are in our favor. वो चेंज जिनसे हमें फायदा होगा, they are in our favor. If those favorable changes come in other than price, then it is known as increase in price. For example, price of factor of production decreases. Factor of production क्या होते हैं? Land, labor, capital. इनकी प्राइसेस कम हो जाए, लेबर की मजदूरी कम हो जाए, कैपिटल पे इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाए, लोन पे इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाए, तो इनके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट कम होने से मेरी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कम आएगी. कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कम आएगी तो मेरा प्रोडक्शन, मेरी जो प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है वो बढ़ेगा, और मेरा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन बढ़ेगा तो मेरी सप्लाई भी बढ़ेगी. माय टेक्नोलॉजी बिकम चीपर एंड एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी चीपर भी होगी और एडवांस हो गई तो मेरा प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. तो when supply of a commodity increases due to favorable change in factors other than price, then it is considered increase in supply. Let us try to understand it with the help of a table. At price 5, supply at price 10, supply is 20, price remains same, supply increases up to 30. Normally when supply increases, when price increases, but here price did not increase, price is same, even supply has increased. Can you tell me due to what factors? Maybe other factors, like my factor of production price reduce, मेरी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की प्राइस कम हो गई. मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिया था, फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की प्राइस कम होने से मेरी कमोडिटी को प्रोडक्शन करने की प्राइस भी कम आएगी, तो मैं सेम कमोडिटी पे भी सेम प्राइस पे भी बेचूंगा तो भी फायदा है, क्योंकि कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कम होने से मेरा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन बढ़ जाता है. दिस इज डायग्राम. हियर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस क्वांटिटी सप्लाई, on y axis it is price here at 10 rupees, supply is 20, at the same price now supply become 30. So this is SS, this is change curve S1 S1. So towards which side we are shifting? We are shifting towards the right side. This is my right hand. That's why it is also known as rightward shift. Increase in supply is also known as rightward shift. I think you understood the topic. Now in the same way we are going to discuss decrease in supply. What is the meaning of decrease in supply? Decrease in supply means when supply of a commodity decreases due to what? Unfavorable factors other than price. Unfavorable change in factors other than price. What is the meaning of unfavorable change? Which is not in our favor, which will harm us. For example, technology become complex, factor of production price increases, government increases taxation. These are unfavorable changes, and due to that, if our supply decreases, it is known as decrease in supply. Table, price, quantity. At 10 rupees, supply is 20. Price is the same, even supply is reducing. Normally, when supply reduces, when price reduces, but here even at same price, my supply is reducing due to other factors. And let us draw this diagram, sir. At 10 rupees, supply is 20. At the same price, when supply becomes 15, our original curve was SS. Now we are shifting towards S1, S1. So which side we are shifting, my dear friends? We are shifting left side. So it is also known as leftward shift. It is also known as leftward shift in supply curve. What are the causes of increase in supply? Other factors like factor of production price reduces. Number two, in future price going to decrease. Future price going to decrease. फ्यूचर में प्राइस कम होने वाली है, और यहाँ इन फैक्टर का अपोजिट आप दिखा सकते हो. तो दिस वाज टुडेज टॉपिक. change in quantity supply and change in supply, that is movement of supply and shift in supply. Thank you very much.